We understand that not everyone has an unlimited budget for photography gear, but that shouldn't be a reason from getting your hands on a full-frame mirrorless camera. So we've scoured the market and handpicked the top 10 best budget full-frame mirrorless cameras that won't break the bank. Let's get started.
Here at Top 10 Zone, we are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new products and create a list of top 10 best products based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say? An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer videos simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which altogether create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands of completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today. Meet the Sony Alpha 7 III, which is equipped with a back-illuminated full-frame CMOS sensor and other advanced imaging innovations. This 24.2 megapixel sensor captures stunningly detailed and vibrant photos. It also has an impressive response, allowing you to capture up to 10 FPS with AE autofocus tracking, whether you're shooting in silent or mechanical shutter mode. And when it comes to video, this camera is a powerhouse. It can shoot 4K HDR movies with full pixel readout, no pixel binning or crop, ensuring that your footage is as high quality as your photos. Moreover, with the long-lasting Z battery, you can keep shooting for longer. The battery here is also long-lasting, so you don't have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of a shoot. Looking for a full-frame camera that's compact and easy to carry around? Well, look no further than the Canon EOS RP, the lightest and smallest full-frame EOS camera on the market. But don't let its small size fool you. It packs a punch when it comes to image quality, with a 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor. This combination produces sharp and vibrant photos with excellent low-light performance. One of the unique features of the Canon EOS RP is its RF mount, which is compatible with a wide variety of lenses, making it easier to capture the perfect shot in any situation. And when it comes to autofocus, this camera is lightning fast and accurate with its dual-pixel CMOS autofocus. The LCD touchscreen complements the customization of the autofocus, allowing you to swipe and tap the screen to change the center of focus. This is the Panasonic Lumix SF2, which boasts a new engine, powerful sensor, updated stabilization system, and a new phase hybrid autofocus, making it the ultimate choice for both photo and video. This camera comes with phase detection autofocus, providing accurate and fast focus in any situation. Plus, its active IS technology is the most advanced image stabilization system yet, providing smooth and stable footage even when shooting in challenging conditions. Additionally, with an optimized heat dissipation structure, you can enjoy extended recording even when shooting in 4K or 6K. Overall, the Panasonic Lumix SF2 is the perfect choice for creators who want a camera that can keep up with their creative vision. Now meet the Nikon Z62, a full-frame camera that goes beyond your expectations. With its advanced features, this camera takes the world of photography to the next level. You will surely like its autofocus system as it allows you to capture every moment with stunning clarity and precision. Whether you're shooting stills or video, the camera's advanced autofocus system will help you get the shot you want with ease. Powered by Dua Xpeed 6 processing engines, the Z62 is lightning fast, providing you with faster image processing, more buffer capacity, and increased overall speed. It also allows recording in 4K Ultra HD at 60p, allowing you to record incredibly detailed footage with full pixel readout. This feature enables you to capture every detail of your subject, whether you're shooting a fast-moving subject or a stationary scene. In conclusion, the Nikon Z62 is a camera that offers more of everything you want in a hybrid still and video camera. As a photographer or filmmaker, you always want to exceed expectations with every shot you take. That's where the Canon EOS R comes in. The full-frame 30.3 megapixel sensor of the Canon EOS R is nothing short of impressive. It captures images with incredible detail and has outstanding ISO performance. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus ensures that every shot is in focus and sharp, making it easier to capture the perfect moment. And when you combine this powerful sensor with the new RF lenses, you get the ultimate shooting experience that takes your storytelling to the next level. It's an interchangeable lens camera that's designed to work with the new era of RF lenses, which have been crafted to work at the optimum distance from a full-frame sensor. This combination of high-performance optics and a pioneering lens mount creates a truly creative camera that pushes the frontiers of photography and filmmaking. With the Nikon Z5, photographers can unleash their creativity like never before. This full-frame mirrorless camera is a compact powerhouse, featuring Nikon's revolutionary Z mount and delivering precision autofocus and stunning imagery. It has a 24.3 megapixel CMOS sensor that produces sharp images, ultra-shallow depth of field, and clean low-light shots. The camera is powered by Nikon's fast and comprehensive EX Speed 6 image processing system, which ensures exceptional photo and video quality, autofocus performance, distortion control, color reproduction, and more. Besides, with the Z5, you don't have to worry about perfect lighting, as it works exceptionally well even in low-light conditions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, the Z5 provides the tools and capabilities to help you take your skills to the next level. In the world of photography, the Sony A7C is a game changer. Its compact size and lightweight design make it the perfect choice for creators who demand the best full-frame performance without the burden of carrying heavy equipment. Despite its full size, the camera packs a punch with its advanced 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated 35mm full-frame image sensor. The A7C's real-time eye autofocus feature is truly remarkable, as it employs artificial intelligence to detect and process eye data in real time, allowing for unprecedented precision in tracking the subject's eye. This function can be activated via an assigned custom key, or by simply pressing the autofocus on button, or half pressing the shutter button. Additionally, the camera's real-time autofocus tracking feature is equally impressive. This state-of-the-art feature employs AI to tenaciously track moving subjects when shooting stills or movies. The Sony Alpha 7R3 is a remarkable camera that offers superior speed and pro-class operability. It's the ideal partner for anyone who wants reliable performance, even under harsh conditions. One of the most impressive features of the Alpha 7R3 is its 42.4 megapixel image sensor and enhanced image processor. Together, they allow you to take your imaging to the next level and capture images that were once only in your adventurous imagination. In addition to its recording capabilities, the camera also supports super speed USB 3.1 Gen 1, which enables fast PC remote data transfers for smooth handling of large raw data files. And when it comes to video, this camera doesn't disappoint. It supports 4K HDR images, a broad dynamic range, and a wide color gamut, resulting in movies of extraordinary presence. This right here is the Canon EOS R6, a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera that has everything you need to take your photography to the next level. With its 20 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X image processor, the R6 delivers stunning image quality with an impressive ISO range. This camera also features advanced subject tracking of people and animals using deep learning technology, making it the perfect camera for capturing action-packed scenes. And for the videographers out there, the R6 offers 4K up to 60 FPS and 1080p up to 120 FPS in 10-bit. All in all, the EOS R6 is the ultimate tool for capturing quality content, whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out. Let's wrap up with the Sony ZV1, the world's first vlog camera designed specifically for content creators. Boasting a powerful 12.1 megapixel back-illuminated 35mm CMOS image sensor, this camera is a game changer when it comes to capturing stunning visuals. The ZV1's topic recognition technology powered by AI is one of its most avant-garde features. With auto-framing, the camera automatically adjusts the framing to keep your subject in the spotlight, no matter where they move. This feature takes the guesswork out of framing your shots, allowing you to focus on your content and let the camera do the rest. With its outstanding resistance to dust and moisture, this camera is built to withstand even the toughest outdoor conditions. In short, the Sony ZV1 is the ultimate vlog camera for creators who demand the very best. So that was our list of the top 10 best budget full-frame mirrorless cameras. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.